Hi there. Today on JHRacing, we're going to install an Asetek Forte wheel to our Simucube 2 Pro Wheelbase. And in order to do that, we're going to need a conversion kit. And we've ordered a conversion kit from SRM, Sim Racing Machines. It's an Asetek wheel to Simucube wheelbase conversion kit. And I am going to go through a time-lapse sequence of steps just to show you how the conversion works. Then we're going to install the wheel onto our Simucube 2 Pro wheelbase. And then we're going to go into rFactor 2. We're going to do the calibration. And then we're going to get on track and drive the Asetek Forte wheel, if all goes well. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. All right, we've done a lot of work to put the Simucube conversion kit onto the Asetek Forte wheel, and we have the wheel now mounted to our rig. We are going to go into the Asetek Sim Sports webpage and download RaceHub. There we go. Download it. It is downloading. And once it's downloaded, we will open up the folder and run it. Okay, so we're downloaded. We'll just turn that web page off. And we'll open up our download folder. And there it is. Double click it. And we'll say yes. We'll accept the agreement. And install. And we'll launch it. Okay, steering wheel firmware too old. Let's update it. Let's go into steering wheel. And we have the Forte Formula steering wheel. We have button configuration. We have to select one or more button and we can configure it. So if we select a button up here, we can choose what we want. We have an unpressed color and a pressed color. Now that's interesting. So I guess I will spend a few moments going through and setting some of these things. So maybe we'll take red and green for these buttons for the time being. Now we have our rotary encoders, and I think these are going to be incremental. Let's just try a purple color, and we'll go to the shift lights, and I'm not sure what I want to do with the shift lights. I think I'd like to do center to side for now. I'll leave the pattern, but we'll change what we've got going on here. So we'll make our top end, oh, blue is okay. We'll make the very top end purple. Flash at optimal shift point. Yeah, we'll do that. Pit limiter, yes, we'll do that. Okay, so that's pretty good. Adjusts the curve. Maybe I'll take the rounded version. Okay. Flag lights. Okay, flag lights. Well, I think we'll leave all those the same. Under settings, steering wheel idle mode. Show a rainbow effect on your Asetek Sim Sports steering wheel when it is connected but not in use. Okay. Okay, game setup. RFactor, we have to install plugin. So we'll install the plugin. So we run Steam. And let's find RFactor 2 and run it. Okay, once we're in RFactor 2, we'll go to settings, gameplay, plugins, there we go. Knockout Quad Race Hub. It does have a check mark here, so I think we have installed, and it says uninstall, so we've got it there. So what we'll do is we will go into our RF2 sim and see if we can get the wheel to function there. So we'll be right back with that. Okay, I guess I'll just conclude this video. We have taken the Sim Racing Machines conversion kit for the Asetek Forte wheel to my Simucube 2 Pro Wheelbase. It has worked perfectly. I have no problems. I've been able to calibrate the wheel in R Factor 2, and I will attempt to do it in iRacing as well. I have done some button mapping and color coding for the buttons, so that looks really good. I'll be playing around with that a lot more, and maybe changing some of my button mappings, but all the button mappings have taken. My shifters work, my clutch works, everything is in good working order. The force feedback that I'm feeling through the wheel from the Simucube 2 Pro Wheelbase is great, so the SRM Sim Racing Machines conversion kit is working perfectly. So I'm going to have a lot more fun with this, and I'll do some more videos for you to show how the wheel is coming along. But I just want to say good job to Sim Racing Machines for their conversion kit, and good job to Asetek for this Forte steering wheel. It is really a beauty. So we'll see you on track having some fun. Okay, take care.